I'm James Tweddle, representing Link Shelving. We produce rustic display equipment, a range which is called the Artisan Crate range. It's Lego in rustic form. It is a modular system of shop fittings, so it achieves cost savings, it's flexible, it creates kind of beautiful environments for customers in a rustic fashion. Link Shelving was formed in 2002 and has been coming to Glee sort of ever since. I've been coming and exhibiting as James Tweddle for 30 years. I come to Glee because it gets to my core audience. The whole community is drawn together by Glee. It's a one time in the year when essential things of all this retail services are brought together. The retail lab has been really good for us this year. We started working on ideas back in February, which has resulted in our cube and crate, and so excited about it. Last night I went home on the train with a lovely smile on my face. I was so happy with all the contacts that I had made. The level of interest was phenomenal, so I'm looking forward to a very nice order book throughout the year. So I kind of love Glee.